It's time to grow your thinking and your vocabulary. Right here on Word Up with Sofia. Today's word is confrontation. Can you say it with me? Confrontation. Let's go. Let's break it down and spell it out. Ready? C-O-N-F-R-O-N-T-A-T-I-O-N. That spells C-O-N-F-R-O-N-T-A-T-I-O-N. Awesome job. Confrontation means a direct conflict or face-to-face challenge. Let's slow it down and think about it. It's what happens when people disagree and stand up for what they believe. Sometimes with words and sometimes with big emotions. Here are some words that are just like confrontation. Say them with me. Dispute, conflict, clash, encounter, argument, face off, altercation. Take a moment and think about those words. They all describe tough situations where people don't see eye to eye. Now, let's flip it. What's the opposite of confrontation? Agreement, harmony, resolution, avoidance, peace, surrender. These words remind us of calm, understanding, and choosing a peaceful path. Here's how you might hear this word in real life. Sofia avoided a confrontation by calmly expressing her feelings. Now that's smart communication. Let's lock it in. Confrontation means a direct encounter or conflict. Synonyms: dispute, conflict, clash, encounter, argument, face off, altercation. Antonyms: agreement, harmony, resolution, avoidance, peace, surrender. You have the power to choose your words and handle tough moments with strength and kindness. Understanding confrontation helps you grow. Use the word confrontation in a sentence out loud, or write a short story about how someone solved one in a smart way. Words like confrontation help you speak up, stand strong, and understand others better. You're doing amazing things every day. Keep shining, and get ready. Another powerful word is coming your way tomorrow on Word Up with Sofia.